Hey guys, what's up? It's Logan here today, back with another video on dominos. So this will be a tutorial video on how to build sonimod. Sonimod is a short and easy trick and a cool way how to enhance your building, and just in general to make you a better builder. Now, the first step is to build a domino like this horizontally, flat down. Now, I might warn you, I'm not the best at this trick. I haven't practiced it a lot, and I might mess up a few times. So I say few, I mean a lot. But we're gonna continue this. I already messed up. And there we go. Now this is the first feature. Now we're going to knock this down. I'm going to do a second feature. So easy, just build domino line, and voila. Now, the cool thing about this trick is that if you mess up domino, it won't knock over the entire thing. So 3, 2, 1. There you go. We have a fast trick, but if you like a slow motion camera and you film it right there and then, it's gonna look pretty cool. Okay, now second feature is you curve it. Okay, now I'm not very good at this. So yeah, this might take a while. And how is it not going on? Okay. Okay, so as you start to build domino, you want every single domino you want to like slowly put it at an angle to where it curves it. See, as you can see, it's slowly starting to curve. And there you go. Now I don't have much space here, so if I place another domino, it would basically fall off the edge. So now let's just put a domino line. This I'm gonna do from the opposite direction. Bam. Okay, now here's the last feature. Is splitting the sonimod. So basically you can go in multiple directions. Now this is extremely difficult. I mean, maybe not for some other domino artists. And then we want to place domino in care. I did first try. I'll take that, Lucas. Okay, so I don't know if I feel safe continuing this, but you get the point. You do the same step where you diagonally lean it, and you do it on opposite side. You can curve it, you can create letters, and you can do a ton of different designs with this trick. And that's why I really think this trick's pretty cool. Now last thing is knock it down. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and bam. That's it, guys. See, short and easy trick. It definitely would require some practice. As you can see, I did mess up quite a few times. But I hope you learned something from the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.